Today, let's make Chatpate Pani Wale Pakode ya Pani Phulki, a very unique way of relishing the besan-based pakoda with pani from the Pani Puri and a perfect iftar recipe at Ramadan. So let's get started. In a bowl, sift 1 cup gram flour. Add half teaspoon red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking soda. You can also add 1/4 teaspoon crushed ajwain. Mix well. Gradually add water as required. Whisk well for 8 to 10 minutes, or you can also use beater to beat the batter till it becomes fluffy. Next, I'm going to add 2 cups water in a bowl. Goes in 2 tablespoon green chutney, 1 tablespoon lemon juice, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black salt, half teaspoon red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon chaat masala, half teaspoon ginger powder, half cup tamarind pulp. Now give this a mix. And to this I'm adding ice cubes, some fresh mint leaves and some sliced onions. Mix well and keep this in refrigerator. Now drop the batter in hot oil. Use a tablespoon to drop. Fry this till it becomes crispy and golden brown. Once done, remove it and drop it in normal water for 30 seconds. Next step is to squeeze the pakoda slightly and drop it into the khatta pani and then refrigerate it for at least half an hour to absorb all the flavors. And now Pani Phulki is ready to serve and enjoy at iftar. So guys, what are you waiting for? Try this Pani Phulki at your home and let me know how it turned out for you. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Give a big thumbs up below and follow us on Instagram page Shimi'S.kitchen. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.